Hello, and welcome to the walkthrough of the new Domino Platform 6.0 UI. Today, we'll explore some of the exciting interface changes in this release. Our focus with 6.0 is to streamline workflows, making it easier than ever to access all the tools you need. These updates are designed to enhance efficiency and provide a clearer, more intuitive experience within the Domino platform. We'll start here at the brand new Domino home screen. This landing page is designed to bring all your commonly used tools to the forefront, streamlining navigation and making it easier to execute efficient workflows on Domino. Front and center, you'll notice a consolidated view of all of the projects and workspaces you're responsible for, allowing you to quickly switch between development activities and keep track of all your work. Additionally, you can easily view the statuses of your completed and active Domino jobs, giving you instant insight into the progress of your executions. In the spirit of collaboration, the bottom of the homepage now serves as a central hub, offering exciting insights into your teammates' work. Whether it's recently published applications and APIs, new templates, or IT notifications, staying in sync with your team's progress on Domino has never been easier. You'll also notice that I now have direct access to my list of tasks, formerly known as Domino goals. This feature makes it easier than ever to collaborate on the Domino platform and turn your assigned work into completed tasks. Another notable change is that the side navigation bar has been moved to the top. This redesign improves visibility into Domino's feature sets and organizes navigation in a more intuitive way. Views that were once under the lab screen can now be accessed directly from a single context, simplifying how you interact with core functions on the platform. This includes access to data, apps and APIs under Deploy, environments under Govern, and workspaces under Develop. Speaking of workspaces, we've made UI improvements here as well. Beyond the new look and feel, you can now launch jobs directly from within a workspace, allowing you to continue developing without the need to switch contexts and enabling you to stay focused on developing efficiently. I hope you've enjoyed this brief overview of the new Domino 6.0 UI updates. For more information, please visit domino.ai or contact your account representative. Thank you and have a great day.